Trading isn't hard, it is just simply misunderstood. I have been trading for over 4 years now, and I average around $1,000 or $2,000 every single day. However, I had to go through my ups and downs before turning profitable in trading. I was losing for 2 years because I was always trying to find that secret holy grail strategy that would magically turn me profitable. And I always thought that these markets are rigged against me and they try to take my money. But thankfully, everything changed once I found these 3 secrets about trading. And now I've been profitable for about 2 years, making money consistently in these markets. And in this video, I'll reveal the 3 secrets to you so you can skip the pain that I went through and you can become profitable fast. So let's go. Secret number 1 is to master market trends. When I started trading, I thought I need 7 monitors and bunch of indicators to become profitable, but in reality all you need is these simple trends. And there's actually only 2 trends you need to see in order for you to look for buys or sells, and that's how I make money, and that's how you'll actually make money after learning this. So essentially all you're seeing right here is just trends. That's how the markets are built. It's like the lifeblood of the markets. That's why it's so important to master it, and your only job is to follow the trend. Okay, so when the market is moving in an uptrend, you need to look for buys. When the market is moving in a downtrend, you need to look for sells. And consolidation is sideways movement caused by equal amount of buyers and sellers. This is when you need to not look for trades, because this is not moving anywhere. So you can sit on your hands and wait for it to break through to give us this kind of movement. Right here, look at this. This is an uptrend. How does it move? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And for instance, what is this? This is our higher highs, higher lows, 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 higher highs, etc., etc. Continues, right? Bullish uptrend. This is when you look for buys. This is literally the downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. Right? Very simple yet so effective. Here you need to look for sells, aka shorts, and here you need to look for buys. So shorts, buys. However, now you may wonder, what about this sideways movement? How can I spot it? Well, it's actually very simple. It's literally here. Look, for example, look at this. This is literally consolidation. It's not moving anywhere. Right here you need to wait for the breakthrough. As you can see, gets up here, start to get some volume in the markets and start to move down, and now we have hit this downtrend. I will look for sells in here. Now you need to know how to actually follow the trend. So when the price is moving in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, this right here is our impulse. This is the retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse. So when it creates a retracement right here, this will be the higher high and this will be a higher low. And when you see a new candle closing above the most recent higher high, then it's something called a breakout structure, BOS. And when right here this candle closes, you're gonna buy the markets like this and put a stop loss below the most recent higher low. That's simple. This is how you follow the trend. Let me show you in the chart real quick. I can literally just show you in the replay mode. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? What happened here? This was a higher high, retraces back here, and then this is the high, higher high. You want to see the up gonna close above it. There we go. I would buy right here, enter once it closes above this high, and stop loss below the most recent what? Higher low right here. Higher high, higher low, stop loss right there. Follow this trend, make some money. Right, simple as that. Now what about in the downtrend? This moved down. When it reaches up, it will create this lower low, and once this down candle, once a new down candle closes below this line, aka the lower low, then we will enter. There we go. So I would enter right here, stop loss above the most recent lower high. Let's say if we would get a 1-to-2 return ratio. There we go. Look at this. Simple. This is all you need in your trading. You need to always follow the trend. I always say this and I cannot stress it enough. You need to know how to follow the trends, and this is how you do it. When you see the breakout structure and you follow the trend right there. Secret number 2 is that trading is you versus you. When I started trading, I always thought that these markets are against me. They're just trying to take my money because they're evil. But you know, the more I start to trade, I start to realize that, okay, I am the problem, because I had issues. I had like flaws in the trading. I used to trade when I weren't supposed to. I used to take too many trades, etc. and etc. All these psychological mistakes. So I understood that it's my fault. So in trading, you literally are battling against yourself, against your emotions, against your own human desires. You want to get rich quick, but in reality, If you try to get rich quick, you will not get rich quick. If you understand your flaws, you want to fix them, that's how you get rich quick. That's how you make money. Now, the sooner you understand this, the better, because this is how you actually start to see some improvements. Most people are too arrogant. They blame the markets. They don't believe it's their fault, but it's their fault. It is my fault if I win, it's my fault if I lose. Trading is literally a mirror. It's a reflection of yourself. If you have flaws, you will find them in the markets. If you are emotional, you'll find them in the markets. I literally remember when I thought that I have no flaws, and then I placed my own money in my live account. And then I realized back then that I'm actually very emotional in these markets with my money, because I took a trade. I couldn't be 2 minutes without looking at the charts, and then I closed the trade early because I was scared that I would lose the money. You know, I wasn't arrogant. I understood my flaws, and then I was like, okay, I want to win. I want to actually make money, so let me fix this. And that's how it goes, okay? That's how you actually improve, when you understand your own flaws. So at the end of the day, trading is nothing but a mirror, a reflection of yourself. Now, this is how you actually fix it. You start to build the good habits. Trading is good in a way that everything counts. You going into the gym counts. It makes you more disciplined in the market as well. It's funny how it works, but it's true. I remember I used to be very impatient in these markets. I was like, damn, I need to find these trades quickly. But then I was okay, what if I start to meditate like 15 minutes a day? That really helped. It's a good habit. Every good habit counts. Now, on the other hand, think about it. If you do bad habits, it's even worse for your trading, because habits build yourself. If you press the snooze button every morning, you are not willing to wake up, that will affect your trading. If you just, you have to go to the gym, but you're like, nah, tomorrow, that will affect your trading. So you need to build those good habits. It's so important, okay? If you want to become profitable. Secret number 3 is to take less trades. I remember I used to literally take 5 trades a day, and I thought that, okay, this is the way to go. But in reality, the more I traded, the more I actually looked for the trades, the less money I made. In trading, you need to wait for the market to present the setup for you. That's when you make money. That's when you actually see progress. But all of us have been lied to. When I started trading, I used to see these gurus online just taking like 10 trades a day and acting all emotional, like, oh guys, I just made $50,000 in 1 second. Like, literally, that is just complete fucking bullshit. And it is so disgusting how trading industry is filled with trash and liars. So please, when you go online, just be aware. All these BS traders, these fake gurus, they want to make it seem very nice and very exciting and dopamine hits, but trading is boring sometimes. This is a key. I only trade 1 hour into the session. Within that 1 hour, I can literally make $1,000, $3,000, and I only take like 1 or 2 trades, literally 1 or 2 trades maximum within 1 hour into the session. I don't take 10 trades like all these fake gurus. The reason why I trade 1 hour into the session is because there will be the most volume, the most movement, and the best chances to win and make a ton of money. Whether is it Asian, London, New York, or New York Stock Exchange open, you need to trade in the session open, because most volume will be in there, the banks will open, etc, etc. There's so much money to be made in that 1 hour. Now, the more you are in the session, the less volume there will be and the less chances to win. So be wise, only trade 1 hour into the session. Maximum 1 or 2 trades a day, or sometimes, me personally, when there's no setups available, if the market is trash and there's no price action, I will not take a trade. Like, literally, it's that simple. You will only take a trade if there is the setup. It's that simple.